That tree is still here. I wish I would have thought it through some more last time before cutting it, but it is what it is. And then as I was assessing this, there's that guy right there, up at the top. He's split. And then I got one, that guy, I don't know if he's splitting, but he looks like it. And then so does this guy. So it looks like I'm gonna have some fun this winter. But we shall see. And after about that guy, I think he grew that way, but it still isn't safe. So I gotta try and tackle this split one. Let's see if I can do it properly. I got this tree still standing. What I was gonna do is I was gonna wrap a chain or a wrap around it and then put a come along on it, but I couldn't find a chain. So what I'm thinking now is I'm just gonna cut below the split and hopefully it'll fall over. And hopefully I will not get hurt. I'm still worried that I might get hurt because even guys that have been doing this for as long as I've been alive, they still get hurt. So let's see if I can do it. I'm just trying to scope out my evacuation plan. I could run that way and I can run that way. I might trip that way, but let's see how this goes. I didn't cut the face out, gotta cut it a little more. Fudge. I hope that doesn't stop it from going that way. Didn't know if I heard it crack. It's a little jacked, but at least got that out now. It doesn't look that big, but it's flipping tall. Make sure that car goes by. I think it has the other trees can catch it, but you never know what they'll do. It's not budging at all. I'm a little worried. That scares me. I see that piece moving, so it's wanting to fall because that closed a little bit. Where's my wedge when I need it? It's not cut all the way through yet. pinch my chainsaw. I love this thing more than I should. I went to go get a wedge, and when I went to get it, I couldn't find a strap or a chain anywhere, but I found that's a game camera strap, so I put it around there. Might help, might not, but figured it's worth a shot. So what I'm gonna try and do, wedge it and smack it, and hopefully that'll split and I won't ruin a chainsaw. But if I am gonna ruin a chainsaw, I'm gonna do it to my $40 one, not the $400+ one. It probably isn't smart. It isn't. I heard a crack. I don't want to be right behind you. That's not good either. I hear it. That didn't work. Guess I'm gonna have to do my baby. The good thing about this though, it always comes through. I just don't want it to get hurt or me get hurt. It's picked. Fudge. What a cluster. Help me help you. Please. Just stay for a minute while I get... Of course, nothing's ever easy for me. Oh, it's pinched good. See that sucker to fall over already. Don't fall that way, you'll hit me. WTF. Thank you. Not really a safe spot. That's not a good spot for me to be in. That's gonna pinch that. I might have made this harder than it should have been. I'll turn you off. I got it so rigged, and it's not working. I don't want that. If I have to run, I don't want to trip on that. Fudge. Hold on, just don't want to kick back and take out my chainsaw. Don't know if that will split. Fudge you. Come back and kick me right in the face with a gut. I do have my gas-powered one, but it's raining and I don't want to. Just trying to find a safe spot. car coming. Stay out of the way, please. I think I might be able to push it over. I could save my baby. Just don't hit me, please. Fudge me. Oh, I hit my other chainsaw. Suck ass. I'd love you guys to tell me what to do, but this ain't live, so I don't have service out here. Go, but not right on the chainsaw. Stand up the gun. I'm in the worst spot. And that's what I was worried about. I got everything and it still happened. I might just cut that section right there because I think it's all cut. It looks like it is. But I'm so worried it's going to kick, especially if it's not secure there and not secure there. I have no idea where it will go. Fudge. Out. I smacked a wedge in there. And this thing, it is completely cut. This section is all cut. And again, I just don't want it to like fall in the road when I'm not here. So my only other brainstorm idea I can come up with is to get my axe and beat the back of it. Not my little one, but a longer one. So I'm not going to kick it. I want to, but I don't want that part to kick me. I took the strap off. But it's just harder than it needs to be. I'm going to take a couple of whacks, try to, and smack that part, and see if that can knock it off the base. You know, I don't know if this is the best idea, but at the moment it's the only idea. So far, so good. Got it off the base. Then I think what I'll have to do is wrap something around it and tie it to another tree. Because at least it's standing upright more. And here, this one I'm not too worried about, but it's storm season here now. It's supposed to be done raining for the day, but it's Washington. Sorry, gotta get the camera. There's that tree right up there. I'll try and zoom in when I edit. But yeah, there's that tree. That tree that grew at an angle. And yeah, all those guys are like growing towards the road. But yeah, so there's what I got. So it's standing upright more. I'm not done, but I'm not as worried about it now, even though it's not on its stump. Thanks again, guys. If it stops raining, we'll find something else to do. But if it continues to rain, this will probably be it for the day. Thanks again, guys.